क्या ये सुंदर सी
मेरा पिंपल फोड़ दिया गाइस, बहुत पेन हो रहा है गाइस।
हाथ मत लगा. Welcome to our channel Revise Style, and today what are we doing? So I did this makeup on her face because she was been crying so that I try something new. She wanted this red look. So she wanted the red colors. So just stay tuned to see how we created the entire thing, and don't forget to subscribe. What? Subscribe! Okay, स्किन केयर गुरु होने के बाद तू मेरी नहीं
टच
सुनती.
मत करो बोला है। No one ever listens to me। गाइस पिंपल को मैंने कभी टच नहीं किया, कल देख।
So welcome guys. Welcome
करो।
Okay, welcome guys. Welcome to our channel, and we are doing in our balcony. So इसको मेकअप चाहिए, and मुझे मेकअप करना आता है, but I don't do much makeup because anyways, Divya, I only do makeup when I have to go for a wedding or something like such, or else it's just a lip balm and बाहर. But इसको चाहिए ये look.
Now, अब red look, वो look, red look.
Okay, this is red look, and we are going to make this red look happen in this face. Hopefully I manage to do it. We have another member in this.
Welcome to our YouTube channel.
Welcome to our YouTube channel, my dear Coffee. This is Coffee, guys. Coffee, say hi. Hi, she says hi too. Okay, let's get started. Navya, get ready. Let's start the makeup. You have to put this on your face. It's a primer. So we are using first a primer. Slap a little. So the first thing I'm going in with is the concealer, because I don't use corrector or any other thing. So it's just going to manage with what we have. Navya. Should be damn. One slap if I give it up. Who told you to what is it? Foundation done.
You missed a word.
Yeah, I would keep it respectfully. I don't want to create chaos out of social media. That's what I call my sister. Pretty with me without makeup. Why are you making me to do this?
Yeah, I love doing makeup on my face, but I don't know to do makeup.
Yeah, even I don't know to do on someone. I just know what to do by myself.
तू मेरा आइडल्स का गाना गाता है, ठीक है? क्या कुछ कर रही है?
You wanted the look, not me. If you don't want, then I'm going.
कुछ नहीं दिख रहा है गाइस, कुछ नहीं दिख रहा है।
पता नहीं, you watched her.
Thank you.
You watched her video so much. That's the reason, I think. Wait. Welcome to my life, guys. She's the one who has messed it completely. Like, in all sense, in every angle, the one who messes my life.
Do you feel my
I don't like putting too much powder because I feel it is too body, and I do very basic makeup because I don't like makeup. But then ठीक है अभी थोड़ा डाल दो क्योंकि इसको रेड लुक चाहिए गाइस, रेड लुक। शादी जा नहीं रही है, किधर जा ही नहीं रही है, पर उसको करना है बहुत कुछ है। Always cover your neck because it's important. Not like that. With foundation, let me clear it out. ऐसे लोग के साथ थोड़ा क्लियर ही बात करना पड़ता है, नहीं तो कुछ और ही कर लेते हैं, राइट?
मेरे को छुप के बैठना पड़ता है guys.
Okay, your base is done. This is the base, guys, because we don't want to do too much makeup. We are not going anywhere first and foremostly. If it was, then I would have done better. But yeah,
गड़बड़ कर दी इसका कुछ ना कुछ गड़बड़ कर दी।
ट्राई कर रही हूँ, मुझे भी मेकअप नहीं आता इतना अच्छे से। I'm not a makeup artist. I don't know makeup. स्किन केयर बता मैं कर लेती हूँ, मेकअप मुझे नहीं आता, मैं खुद से ही कर लेती हूँ, तो I do it better. I can't do it on someone else. Trust the process. Okay.
One और ऑप्शन है।
One punch on your face. Yakshagana, guys. Where is it? Wait.
कौन सी साइड है ये?
You know to do your fox thing, huh?
Yeah.
You do that better than that. This is the red, the same. Navya. It's like I can do makeup on myself, but when I'm doing on someone else, I don't feel.
She does not have any interest. 0% interest. You can. Someone adopt me.
Request डाल दो यहाँ पे.
बस जब मेकअप करने का मन है मेरे को बोला दो आज.
Wow. See, the problem with makeup is when it starts, you don't like it at all. Once it's finished, na, you automatically like it.
Nicely done.
No comments right now. The dress up guys बाद में पता चला.
यार इसमें बहुत फर्क है.
ये सब चीज़ ये रेड ही नहीं है.
It is
You know what? You see it in the mirror, please, because your camera is wrong.
Not
Yeah.
lipstick, not lipstick.
Red
I'm
and
talking about go and see the.
everything is proper. फेस में शाइनिंग वगैरह आता है.
You know that it's recording. Okay, guys, I'm done. I'm really done. But it's not. It's nice. Come ahead.
I only saw. I couldn't recognize the face.
It's not bad. It's not my worst. Now she'll do the
But
eyeliner.
eyeliner-
She'll do the eyeliner.
I'm
Wait,
very good
one
with
second.
eyeliner.
Yeah, so let she do that.
What's your password? www.google.com.
Show your face. Come ahead. She wanted this, but then it's not as per expected. True, but it's not bad. Like, look at her face.
My hand is fully red.
Mm-hmm. And then look at this. Obviously, she has a lot of makeup. I did not put so much on her face because she does not like makeup anyways, but she wants that entire look. So
Any side comb?
but her eyes is looking so pretty. Just see that face. Like, see their face. Oh my god. Okay, two horns in Malayalam we would say rendu kombu vanundu. Ee pennine rendu kombu
गर्मी का
vanundu.
वजह से
It means like she has two
Sugar?
horns.
कोई सेंस ज्यादा zoom in on my
Yeah. 1 second. Lips. Okay. Oh my god, this is so pretty. But okay, so now the artist and the art is right here. I know it is not come that great, but then it is not that bad. It is not that bad at all.
Yeah.
Once when she sees this video, she's going to be like, oh my god. इतना नहीं बोल रहा है, but ठीक है. ये तो bare minimum किया था with no interest, with 0.0% interest. I did this face for her because she wanted, but what are you doing with my eyebrow brush? Navik, that is not a hair comb.
hair को नहीं मिला अभी side is nice ना this one and this one collaboration very nice.
Guys, she's watching a lot of videos of that girl called as, what's her name? The one that you were watching? Megha Ranjani's video. She's watching a lot and she's trying to mimic her. Yeah, she's good. She's very funny. I mean, me and mom and everyone.
Thank you.
ऐसे भी कुछ कंटेंट नहीं मिल रहा है तो ये बकरी को लेके आई मैं.
गर्मी है
ये प्रिटी फेस वापस
सब्सक्राइब करो
हाँ सब्सक्राइब इसकी वजह सब्सक्राइब करो एंड इसकी फेस और डेकोरेशन करूँ मैं. कमेंट कर दीजिए that if you want me to create new looks on this human's face then let me know so that
मेरा
I
मुंह
learn
खराब करने
makeup.
वाला है मैं
I
खुद
can do great makeup on her face. Trial error कर सकती हूँ इधर. This is my trial error human. So yeah, guys. Ta-da! Now we can give a normal pose. Okay, done. We are done. Yay! Okay, bye. Like, share, and subscribe. We are the nice sisters trying to do a sweet content.